Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at meme pass, airdrop, how to register and start mining. This token is currently trading at the rate of $6 if I'm not mistaken. So if you have not started mining, locate the link in the video description. Do well to click on it, register an account, and once you register an account, download the app. I'm going to walk you through on how this app is all about, all you need to know concerning this. Once you register, it is important you do your KYC. You first of all scan your face for face scan. After that, the next step is for you to verify your account. If you look over here, you can see that they said, sorry, let me change it. They said you have make check-in reward that has not been claimed. For you to be able to check make every day, you must do your KYC. Without KYC, you will not be able to check in and earn reward. And another thing is that you can as well stake make token to receive 50% APY. 50% APY. So now, how then do you earn more rewards? Once you register, you're going to see something like this. They say on-chain check-in. That is when you have done your KYC. You just click on it to check in. Now they said here, last month you did not check in consecutively. Click on check in today. And once you click on check in today, look at what they wrote here. Meta Earth me my way. Enhance happiness for a better life. So maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability. So this is what they want you to feel in. How then do you feel it? You can see this place, enhance happiness for a better life. You need to type it accordingly, the way it is showing. You need to type it so that you can claim your daily on-chain. So what we are going to do is to write it, enhance happiness for a better life. Then cardi comma. Okay, let me remove it. Then you click on this. Now you click on chain check-in. Can you see? Daily check-in. This is your address, your network. You click on confirm. Now you have to put your meme pass token code. You know your meme pass token code. Do where to put it so that you can claim your daily check-in. Check in on the chain. You have to give it time. Congratulations, check-in successful. Now go back home. Going back home, you have to refresh. Can you see I've gotten 0.001 meg, and 1 meg now is trading at the rate of $6. 9 months ago, it was at the rate of $3, and now it is at the rate of $6. So you can give it a try. So they said that get 0.01 meg reward for joining our community first. Receive timely reward event notification and participate in node community decision. So to join their community, you click on this so that you get the reward. They said verify now. Click on verify to join the community node. Me ID menting, and after menting you'll be able to join their community. So you need to give it time to mint. So basically, this is what you need to do. Now, if you go back to the chat, they said your mail ID is ready for you, so you must do your KYC. I've just done my KYC, and they say it's going to be under review for 24 hours. So if after 24 hours, they will tell me whether it was successful or not. Now, if you go to the explore, this is where you explore their website. Going back to the assets, you can now see that you can scan your MEC if you want to scan, or you can as well receive, you copy your address, or you send. So this is what you need. But before you be able to send out or withdraw your MEC, you must pass your KYC and you'll be able to transfer your MEX to your exchange. Now coming to the staking, you can stake. They have the flexible term, which is 12.5%, and the fixed term, which is 25% annually. So you choose any one that is suitable for you. Now this is make ruler and every other thing. Once my KYC is approved, I will still show you guys how you can withdraw your MEC to your exchange. Currently, if you have not started, locate the link in the video description. I'm going to share my referral link so that you can join immediately. So I just got a notification now that my KYC authentication is complete and you have unlocked more Meta Earth benefits as well as received the KYC Satisfy Me ID card reward. You can customize the style in settings. So I've verified my account, and when I uploaded it before I started recording this video, they said it's going to take 24 hours before they can verify my account, and it did not even take up to 10 seconds. They have verified my account. So it's easy. Go and do your KYC unconditional basic income every day. Without you passing your KYC, you'll be limited to some certain things. So go and do it right away. Now, for each new user I invite, you will receive 0.1 MEC. So I'm going to drop my referral link there so that you guys will start immediately. It will be in the video description. Do not waste time. Join immediately. Can you see my ID? Looking pretty. So go and do yours and get your badge. So to join their community, you have to click on, let me go back so that you guys will see. You have to see now, join their community. I said it before, but it was melting. So you click on this, it will melt. After melting, you will now see join. So you need to join their community. They say welcome to NGA community. By joining the NGA community, you can participate in this ambassador node reward plan. Click to participate. So do this. Now I'm going to click on this join. I'm going to click on this join here. Now confirm to join, confirm. Now you click on another confirm. You put your password. So I have joined the community, So go and do that so that you can join the community. The rewards, let me check if I have any rewards. I have received them. And the cross on chain, this is what you need to see in their new hub. So there is nothing much to do right now. So I believe you have got value from this video. Locate the link in the video description. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.